Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to Beko channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope I will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited and me continue to enjoy all this evening. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet blouses designs, top designs, bra designs, very amazing colorful crochet bra designs ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs sure to be available in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to the channel in the first time. You can also try to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Daily, inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box. I will like our video if you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and there's lots of skills. So friend, the video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. When I send the video on my channel, I will share with you some different designs. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Love.